Here's how to create printable Polaroid-style pictures in Canva. Click the plus icon and select Custom Size. Set the unit to inches, width to 11.69, and height to 8.27. This is A4, which prints cleanly. Press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Go to Position and set the rectangle width to 2.13 inches and height to 3.4 inches. Place it in the top left of the canvas. Go to Elements, search for Frame, and add a square frame. In Position, set the frame to 1.8 inches wide and 2.5 inches tall. Change the rectangle color to white for the classic Polaroid look. Add a thin border of around 1 pixel so it looks clean and minimal. Place the frame inside the rectangle, leaving more space at the bottom than top, just like a real Polaroid. Select both the rectangle and frame, right-click, and group them. Move the group to the top left corner. Duplicate the grouped frame across the page to create as many Polaroid slots as you need. Upload your photos and drag each one into a frame. They snap and fit automatically. Click Share, then Download to save. Print the page, cut along the borders, and your Polaroid photos are ready. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.